In this video, you will learn the objective type questions from the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. This will help you to understand the concepts well. These questions will not only help you to score more marks in exams but also to perform better in competitive exams like Math Olympiad. Watch this and develop your problem solving skills and excel in math. Happy learning! Make the smallest and greatest four-digit number using the digits 1, 9, 0 and 6 only once. To write the smallest number, first we should write the smallest number here. But if we write 0 in thousands place, it will become 3-digit number. So first we write 1, then 0, 6, 9. So the smallest four-digit number formed using these four digits will be 1069. Greatest four-digit number is 9610. Make the smallest four-digit number using any four different digits such that 9 is always at hundreds place. So we should take any four different digits, but 9 should be in hundreds place and the number should be the smallest number. So first we think 9 is in hundreds place and the smallest number will be 0. But in four-digit number we should not write the smallest number in thousands place. So the number is 1, 9 is in hundreds place, the next smallest, then next. So 1902. Now we have another question. 2 is always at thousands place. So first we write 2 and then 0, 1, 2. This is the smallest four-digit number. 2 in thousands place. What will be the greatest four-digit number in 9 in hundreds place? 9. Here 8 will come. 8976. And here if 2 is in thousands place, what will be the greatest four-digit number using four different digits? 2. Then the greatest means 987. Write the smallest and the greatest four-digit number using two different digits. So first we write smallest number. We have one condition like two different digits. We should use only two digits. So smallest two digits are 0 and 1. So what will be the answer? 1000. So we use only two digits here. This is the smallest four-digit number using two different digits. Now, what will be the greatest number? Yes, 9998. So, we use just two digits here, 9 and 8. And 9998 will be the greatest four-digit number using two different digits. Write the smallest and the greatest four-digit number using 5, 0 and 6. So, we can repeat any one number. Now, what will be the smallest number using these three digits? But it should be a four-digit number. 5006. So, since 0 is the smallest among these three, we repeat 0 here. Now, 5006 is the smallest four-digit number using 50 and 6. Now, what will be the greatest four-digit number using these three? Yes, 6 will be repeated. 6650. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So, to write in ascending order, we will write ascending order means small number to big number. So we should write the smallest among these. First we should count the number of digits, 4-digit number, 5-digit, here 4-digit, again these two are 5-digit number. So first to find the smallest, first we see the smallest number of digits, 4-digit, 4-digit. Now we compare these two numbers, which one is smallest? Yes, 4017 is the smallest. Now the second number, yes, 6732. Now what among these three numbers? We have 5-digit numbers here. Now we compare the first number 2, here 1, 1. Now we should compare only these two numbers. This is the smallest. Now since the 10,000's place is same, we look the next number 9 and here 5. So this number is the smallest among these two. So we write that number. Now among these two, of course, 19,547 is smaller than that. So we write the numbers ascending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means greatest number we should write first and then small. So here 5-digit number 4 and all other numbers are 5-digit numbers. So first we should write the 5-digit greater number. So we see the first number 6,000. So of course this is the first greatest number here. We write that first. Now here 42,980 is the greatest. Next one is this number. Then 25,074 is the next greatest. Next one 2,849. Write 2,51,974 in expanded form. So first we put commas 2,51,974. To write in expanded form, we just write the place values together. So here 2 lakh plus 50,000 plus 1,000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 4. So what is the place value of 2? 2 lakh. Plus, then what is the place value of 5? 50,000. Plus, what is the place value of 1? 1,000. Plus, place value of 9 is 900. Plus, place value of 7 is 70. Plus, yes, 4. So, this is in expanded form. Find the sum of the place values of 1 in each of the following numbers. Here, place value of 1 is 1000. Place value of this one is 1. So, you are asked to find the sum. So, 1000 plus 1. What is the answer? 1001. Here, 1 is in which place? 1 lakh. Here, 100. So 1 lakh plus 100, that is equal to 1 lakh 100. Now 1 lakh equal to dash hundreds. So we write 1 lakh first. Then how many hundreds are there in 1 lakh? So we write 100. Now cancel the two zeros. The left out one is 1000. So we have 1000 hundreds in 1 lakh. 1 crore equal to dash thousands. Write 1 crore first. Now 1000. 3 zeros are there in 1000. We cancel both 3 zeros. Now we have 10,000. So the answer is 10,000. Write the greatest and the smallest 7-digit number. So 7-digit number greatest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are there. Now smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. Now this is an international system. 100 millions equal to dash crores. We are comparing international system and Indian system. So first we write 100 millions, then crores. So here in 100 millions, how many zeros are there? 3, 3, 2. So 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros are there. In crores, how many zeros are there? 3, 5, 7. 7 zeros are there. So we can cancel that. So we have only 10. So 10 crores are there in 100 millions. 1 billion equal to dash million. So first we write 1 million. We all know that in 1 million we have 9 zeros. So in international system the numbers placed are grouped into 333. So we have 9 zeros in 1 billion. Now how many zeros are there in million? Yes, 6 zeros are there in million. Now we cancel these 6. We have 1000 million. 1000 million are there in 1 billion. Write the names of the following numbers according to the International System of Numeration. So, to write an International System of Numeration, first we should place commas in threes. So, here we have 3-digit 3. This is in ones period, thousands period, then million. So 47 million. Then we have 628. 628,000. Then 967. 967. Now we place commas for this one. 3331. So 4 is in billion place. So 4 billion 687 million 300,000. 300,000 here 792. So 792. So it is very easy to write the number name. Only thing we should write, place commas here. A 9-digit number has only 2's in ones period, only 3's in thousands period, and only 4's in million period. Write this number in words using Indian system of numeration. So, first we can write the international system like the given conditions. That is, we have only 2's in ones period. So, 3 2's in ones period, 3 3's in thousands period, 3 4's in millions period. So, ones period has 2, then thousands period 3, then millions period 4. Now we are asked to write the same number in Indian system of numeration. So what is the difference between Indian system and international system? Only the placement of commas. Here 333 we group like that, but in Indian system 3222. So what will be the answer? 3222. So 44 crores 43 lakh 33,222. Write the numeral for 8 crore, 2 lakh, 109 and place commas according to International System of Numeration. So 8 crore lakh 109. 8 crore 2 lakh 109. There is no number in thousands place. So to write in international system, just replace the commas like 333. So 109, then 200, then 80. So 80,200,109. The sum of the face values of 4 and 8 in this number is, so what is face value? Face value of a number is the number itself. So here face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 8 is 8. So you are asked to write the sum. Sum means we should add the face values 4 plus 8, that is 12. What is the predecessor of this number? So predecessor means previous number. We should subtract 1 from the given number. So when we subtract 1, we get, yes, 8 crore 89 lakh 97,754. For which digit are the place value and face value are equal? So let us take one number, 4,50,886. Now face value of 4 is 4. Place value of 4 is 4 lakh. But if you take 0, what is the place value? 0 into 1000 is 0 and face value is also 0. So the answer is 0. Under which period is 10 lakh? So we know the periods. First ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, and then crores. Here ones period have ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period have thousands and 10,000. Lakhs, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs comes under lakhs period. Happy learning.